how did I create those really funky cells? First we need some fun, bright colors. Today I'm using a bunch of different colors, probably the most I've ever used in a single painting. I'll have all the colors and paint ratios listed in the description box so you can find all the details there. Now that I've got all the colors down, I'm going to swipe over them with some black. To prepare for the next step, I'm pouring out a drop of silicone. I use this particular silicone. Then I'm going to dip the tip of this toothpick into the silicone. And now we are ready to get started. Today I'm just going to go with a circular pattern. You don't need to keep dipping the toothpick into the silicone between, every time you create a cell. You can just dip it in there once and you can really create a number of cells just from one dip. That brings us to the close-up. I really love how many different colors there are and how bright they are. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.